And Medford School District said goodbye to its current superintendent tonight as he fulfilled his final duty as superintendent. Dr. Phil Long officially retired today as the fiscal year for the district came to a close. And Newswatch 12's Casey Kirshner is live in the newsroom to tell us about his final goodbyes at tonight's school board meeting.
Dr. Phil Long fulfilled his last obligation tonight with the Medford School District. After 30 years with the district and 9 years serving as the superintendent, Dr. Long sat in on his final school board meeting, making comments about the future budgets of the district he will no longer work for starting tomorrow. Dr. Long's time as superintendent of the district has been full of ups and downs, dealing with economic hardships and the Medford teacher strike just this year. But Long also says that he's happy with the decisions he's made and looks forward to the next chapter of his education career.
It's kind of like family and just a transition in the life of a family. I no regrets. It's been a great place to work, and I'm just really glad I can leave it in good shape.
Though Dr. Long has officially retired from the Medford School District, he will still be part of education in the city of Medford. He will take on as principal of Cascade Christian High School on the other side of town, starting at the beginning of the 2014-2015 school year. Dr. Brian Shoemate will take over as the new superintendent of the Medford School District, starting at the beginning of July.